Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel. It's Best Houston Apartments. And so I'm looking at the Westcott. This is their athletic club. It's their fitness center. So let's take a brief look at it. It's a beautiful fitness center. It's very clean. It has a lot of equipment. So let's describe a little bit of the equipment. It does have some dumbbells here. It's got a good amount of weights. It's got some machines for legs. It's got a bench squat kind of machine there. It does have some ellipticals that are here. It's got some treadmills that are here. It's got like a rolling machine over here. It's got a Stairmaster machine too. It's got this really cool, I like this new treadmill. This is kind of the more athletic version I'm seeing. It's becoming popular. It's got some superior equipment over here too. It's got a studio. So the studio is a separate little area. It's got two spin bikes, and it looks like it's got some machines over there. So I like seeing the separate studio that's here. It's a good size room. It's got TVs everywhere. It's got some more equipment over there. So it's a really sophisticated fitness center. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. You can send me a text at the number below.